Hello, hello. What are today's messages? One small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Action. What morning routine can you instill to nourish your mind before you start your day? #21. Double the fun. Sharing is caring. Reach out. Sharing joy-filled experiences strengthens the bonds of friendship. What will you be doing? And who's the lucky friend you'll be doing it with? What one thing holds in mind tends to manifest. Any thought which we consistently hold in mind and consistently give energy to will tend to come into our life according to the very form in which our mind has held it. You can't force your dreams to come true. Dreams can only be blown into the wind like feathers, after which we need to learn to trust, to be patient and wait with our hearts open. Every day is a possibility for change. You are not a sad story. Your story might have sadness. It might be a real tearjerker, actually, but it is not just a sad story. No story is just the saddest parts or just the happiest parts, and no person is either. You are not defined by the worst or best things that have happened to you. Even if your story has some bone-crushingly sad plot points, you are not a sad story. Alrighty, what are today's quotes? I am balanced. I am kind. I am patient. I am a miracle. I am healthy. I am thoughtful. I am soulful. I am leading by example. I am open-hearted. I am joyful. I am forgiving. I am free. The last one today, I am unique. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.